Order submitted.
Morning traders, good evening traders in the Philippines. Here we are. You can see I am trading my PA. I'm down 1080 on a 50k. This is a this is a really good high probability setup here to the long side, bouncing off the 233 as well as bouncing off the 200 level here. Let's see if this is gonna really go by. Let's see if this is gonna at least give me 500. I'm gonna go for 500 here.
Order filled.
There it is filled. Let's see if we can get us 500 here. So I'm really looking. This may be going past 500. Maybe this 26 level. That's what I'm looking at. Let me see if we can get it up there. There we go. Again, this is a setup on a gold level. This is like a silver setup. Let's see if we can get up. Let's see if we can get up 500. We push up again. Then retest. See if we can push up there. Come on. Testing on that plus one deviation right now. That's where it's testing it. Come on. We can test this back up. Come on. Bouncing off of 355 here. And it's just giving me a hard time here. I just don't want to test it back down to 233. Come on. Come on. Give me the confidence in this one. Oh man, this is just basically just coming. See what it does here to 233. Give it back. Just come here. Come on. You can just push it up. Come on. We have the momentum going up there, so let's go. Mm, come on, you can do it. Oh, I hate this when they try to battle that high there. That's where the battle point is right now. Let me just take this. Let's see. No, come on now. You can't just give up like that. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me they're just going to give up like that. And the price action is something, here. It's basically, it's creating higher lows, right? Not creating higher high. That's what concerns me because we really have a lot of sellers trying to bring it down at that point up there. You can see, but I think we're going to have some. Let me see what I'm seeing here in terms of my. Man, this is just bad. They just want to now range it here, where they're gonna have a battle. Let's see who's gonna win. But they're trying to bring. They're trying to bring. Well, there's a battle between the buyers and sellers right now. I can see that. Let's see who's gonna win here. Come on. You see prices going bouncing off that 55. So let's count on that. Hopefully we get a pop here. Well, it looks like we're gonna get a pop to the downside. Let's see. I'll try the 233 again here. Let's see if they're gonna use that as a springboard. Just don't like the chances here right now. Here we go. Let's see. It's gonna pop it here. It looks like they just ran out. Yeah,
Order
they don't have that.
filled.
I see a lot of. Yep. So I gave up on that. So it's gonna be ranging here. We're at the right at the VWAP right now. We're back to the 200 level. You can see. Didn't make it to the 26. It was trying to make it there, but what's holding it back is really the plus one deviation. That's where it's ranging right now between the VWAP and the plus one. And usually when you're in that area, that's usually a ranging market. So this looks like it'll be ranging. I'm looking at this, so not much. Still got a loss, but again, there we go. This is going down. Before I even do anything, let me do this prayer. A trader's prayer. Every time I do this prayer, I do pretty good. So, Father God, we come before you today seeking your guidance and peace of mind in our trading today as we utilize these charts. We acknowledge that you are the ultimate source of wisdom, and we humbly ask for your discernment, your insight, and your understanding, Father God. According to your word in James chapter 1, verse 5, if we need wisdom, we should come to you and ask for it, because you are a generous God, and you will give it to us, and you will not rebuke us for asking. However, we should come to you in complete faith with no doubts. So, Father God, we surrender the outcomes of our trades into your hands. Help us to trust in your sovereignty and to find peace in knowing that you are in control. Guard our hearts against fear, greed, and impatience, and grant us a spirit of discernment and sound judgment. Father, Father, Father God, guide us to make compelling trading choices that align with your goals and values for our lives. For our lives, give us the wisdom to resist impulsive actions. Remind us that our worth is found in knowing and serving you, and that financial success is not the ultimate measure of our success or our identity. Our identity is found in you, Father God. So, therefore, may we be a good steward of the resources you have entrusted to us by using them wisely for your glory and your kingdom, Lord, and to give back your blessings to those who are in need. Guide our steps, protect us from harm, and lead us according to your will. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. Okay, let's see. But it says it looks like it's pulling back to the 233 to that zero level. I mean the 200 level there, basically the zero level. Let's see what's going to come here. I'm expecting this to come down. I want to see a reversal candle here, and we should be getting it right around there.
Order submitted.
There it is.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see if I can get 500 here. Trying to trick us here. Why do they do this all the time? Unbelievable. They're going to try to get up there. There's a reversal there again. So let's see what they're going to do at the 233. They're tempting me to get out. Let's see. There we go. Come on. Well, how is this going back up? Oh, no wonder it's the mid session. Okay. You shouldn't be battling. This should be coming down. Man, they're trying. They really have these algos really working hard. Right at that level. Again, we're between the VWAP and the -1 deviation. Before we were up at the VWAP and the +1. Now we're at the VWAP and the -1. So it looks like it's going to be ranging here again. Let's see him break this to the downside. Man, they are just trying to hold this up there. Ranging it again. Everything is pointing down. We have the 55 EMA below the 233. We also have the 21 EMA below the 233. Let's see if they honor this price action. Look at this. They're really fighting this. Their algos. They're really trying to fight this. See, there's no sellers coming in. We want to hear the sellers ticking off. I want to hear my Geiger counter go off. Look at that. Nope. They're just having these buyers going up. I want to hear the Geigers going off to the south downside, but there's none. Here we go. Let's see. Just trying to fight it. There we go. So you're gonna get 500. I'll settle for 500 because they're not really following through. So at least we can get 500 here. I'll be happy. See? Not following through at all. Again, we're getting the mind where I have that profit target right now. Oh, you guys don't see it. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry.
Target filled.
There we go. And it's hitting my target. There was basically the -1 deviation. So let's see if it goes further down from there. So where are we here? We're hitting the value area low on the volume profile. So that's why it's bouncing off. So you have a lot of confluence there. You have the -1 deviation. You have the value area low. But we got some of our losses back, which is good. You just have to be patient about chopping this stuff. So now it's pulling back into the 233. The 233 is where the VWAP is also. So a lot of confluence there. So they're keeping it between the +1, the -1, and the VWAP, and the +1 and the VWAP. Tight range. You can see I'm down 720. I'll take that. I was down as much. I think I was down as much as what here? Let's see here. Let me bring out my trade performance. Um, Trade performance right now. Yeah, I was down as much as 1200. Hmm. I don't trust this coming down. I don't know about this.
Order submitted.
Let me bring it down there. Let's see if it's going to get down there. You see the 21 is below the 55, so also below the 233. So it's pointing that it's supposed to go down. We'll see if the price action will be honored here. Oh, I guess I got sold here. Okay. There is some delay in my connection, so that's the reason why you're not seeing it. There we go.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Oh wow. Did that go up all of a sudden? What the? Do I have a stop on here? come it just knocked me out? It's weird. See if we can get it back here. One of the contracts. I want to get it down to 2150. I'll be happy with that. The level there, 50 level. Right now I don't have no stop loss or anything here. Got knocked out. I don't know how it got knocked out. It's weird. See this. How they're doing this. 210. See what they do with the 55 here. Oh my gosh. See they bring it down here onto 233.
Order filled.
Okay, so this is really just driving me up the wall. Price action is not being honored, that's for sure. So we got basically a higher high. You broke this swing there, right? So let's see what's going to try to break here. It breaks this, you're going to be going up here. You're getting higher lows, higher high. Well, you just broke that high, so basically it's a higher high. Okay, there it is.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So we broke that high. We should be going back up, right? Bouncing off that. Let's see if we can get the 500 here. In fact, I'll go a little past 500 here. Let's see if we can get up there. Look at that. They just took away the momentum right there. These are algos working right now. That's what they're doing. They're just not following me through. And you can see what they're trying to do here. They take out the momentum. Yeah, they just take out that momentum going up. They had the momentum going up, then they just take it away. And that's usually the algo programs. See, no follow through. See, they finally follow through here. Let's see.
Target filled.
Okay, good. Okay, back to 700. That's good. Hello. Who are these people? Is that Ish and Emil?
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
Long. Yeah, it was such a grindy market. You
Yeah,
know,
you can see
yeah,
the algos are working on this.
yeah.
It's your
I don't know.
it's your holiday market.
Yeah, yeah. Is it like this the whole
Yeah,
December?
yeah. Because
Man,
most of the institutional traders are already on vacation for holiday break. They don't come back until either
okay.
until the mid of January until the end of January. Until I think some of
Yeah,
them come back after the what is that, Three Kings, or even Chinese New Year.
okay.
What is Chinese New Year this year?
No, I don't.
Yeah, sometimes that's what they
I'm not
do.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is
Yeah.
your typical holiday market.
Okay. And yeah, I ended up blowing my bullet
What?
off.
You blew your what? Oh, I thought we were
Yeah.
so close.
No, no, no. Bullet off was just starting out.
Oh, okay, okay,
I,
okay.
but I made 300 yesterday. But it was really bad today. Anyway, I didn't trade my Apex,
Good.
which is good because I'm $800 away.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So,
So this is basic your market right here. So I'm looking at this. I'm just trying to recover my loss here. If I can make a small profit. This is my PA. So
mm,
I gotta see what I can. If it can bring me. Let me see where we are here. So basically, we're bouncing off again the VWAP here. Um,
Order
let's
submitted.
see if it's gonna follow through or not. Looks like it's trying to bounce off that 233.
ah,
So I'll go with that and see if it's gonna carry me another 500. It's not really following through. It goes up, then it pulls back
yeah.
so many times. I don't know why. Like this
Mhm.
one, look at that. We have a reversal candle up, really bouncing off on the 233 and the 355, but then it just dies. Like right now, that's exactly what's doing. No momentum. I think if you can trade like the pre-market open, that's the best time to trade. I think. I didn't even look at the London market. I don't know if it was active or not. Maybe you can check.
Yeah.
'Cause yesterday it was dead, and I think the London market is pretty dead
Order
today.
filled.
So here, let's see if we can get a 500 here again. I'm looking at this. We're going
Mm.
off. You see that we're going off the 200. So let's see if it can reach the 26th level. I don't know. Let's see if we can reach there up at the 26th level. I'll be happy with that. Right. So let's bring it up there. Let's see if it has enough momentum to bring it up there. Just trying to struggle to get up there. Am I delayed? It shouldn't be. Oh, why is this going down? Okay, why do I have this going down?
Order cancel. Order filled.
Okay, I'll
Yeah,
take
I
that.
think
Yeah,
it's delayed. Yeah.
I had a buy. I had a sell coming down there. I would have been great coming down.
Oh,
I was thinking to get a buy, but I just
yeah.
found out it was a sell. But I should have just kept it.
Hey, coach.
It's going down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then when I had the right, I inadvertently pressed the wrong button for a buy. But look at that. If I just stepped with it, that would have been at least another 500. See, look at this. So you see this right here. We have bouncing off right there, 233. This is actually a good. This is a good high probability setup. Is bouncing off the 55 as well as the 233 and also the 200 level because you know that usually signals to go up here. What do? They bring it down. That's really there's no honoring the price action because now we're going below and look at this. This is really high probability setup right there, and they just bring it all the way down across. Really strange. At least I was get down to 575 now. Okay, let's see what they're gonna do here. They're gonna pull back. Okay,
Oh, they're gonna yeah,
the two
pull
thirty.
back.
Yeah, the 233 right now is right at the VWAP. So there's not a confluence there that they pull back to the 233 and come back down. Now you also see the 21 being going below the 233. So what are we gonna do here? We're gonna wait for a reversal candle. We're playing around right now with oh no wonder the POC point of control. I'm looking at the volume profile. So this is not good. This is where they're just gonna try to let's see if they're gonna try to get down. We're at the POC right now. They don't know what to do with the POC. Are they gonna go up to the value area high? In fact, we touched already the value area low. So is it bouncing off that? So here's the reversal. Okay, we want to see that reversal.
Order submitted.
Okay, I have a sell this time. Have the right button. But you can see where the sell is right at the session mid. This may bounce off the session mid.
Yeah,
So
it's having a hard time. Oh, it
yeah, they
seems
don't.
like it's pulling back.
Yeah, they don't know what to do with this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this down to maybe right there. Uh, yeah, they don't know what to do with it. Yeah, they're keeping the price.
It's
They're keeping the price between the minus one deviation and the plus one deviation. So right now,
mm,
that's what they're ranging at. And when they do that, you know it's a ranging market. You can still make money, but not as much as you can still what we call scalping. You see how it bounced off that mid session, right? That mid on the IB.
yeah.
It just bounced off that. So now there's a tight range right there between the mid and the 233 and also the VWAP. The 233 is where the VWAP is. Just playing around that small tight range. Right now everything's pointing down because the 21 EMA is below the 233 as well as the 55. It says a 233 again.
Coming around.
Well, hopefully they follow through. You see how they just
Yeah,
that's why they
yeah.
didn't They try. You see how they try to bring it back up right there? They didn't fill my order.
Order filled.
There, we finally got that there. Okay, let's see if they follow through. I might have to give this some room to breathe. Let's see if they can at least give me the 500. Get past the at least the minus one deviation. See, look at that. It's right there. You see that? It's a struggle. It's a struggle for them to get that past the minus one deviation. See that? Let's see if they can get past. Mm. Oh, you're bouncing off there. Once you get down there, you're teasing, and you come back down and test it again. Come on. Mm. Oh man, I gotta bring this up. They don't want to look at that.
Yeah.
They're just trying to fight that level, right? That minus one deviation. That's what they're trying to do. They don't want to bring it down past there. I'll just take whatever's they want to give me. It's just,
Coming. Come
yeah,
on.
just struggle just to get down there.
Target
There,
filled.
I'll take that. That was just a struggle just to get down there.
Yeah.
Because again, that minus one is really good support right now. They're using that as support.
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to go, Dom.
Okay,
Yeah. I
see you.
I'm okay on Sim,
Yeah.
712 on Sim, but I have to. I'm doing micros, so I'm
Okay.
trading like 20.
Ah.
So
Yeah.
10 10,
Yeah.
you know?
Well, that's so
Yeah.
basically if you're doing micros and you're doing 20. That's like two contracts on E
Yeah.
mini.
Yeah.
That's what you're doing. You
But I
don't need
like the flexibility of the micros. Yeah.
right. But again, but the thing if you're trading that many, watch out for your commissions.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Okay.
bouncing back up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's
Hey, Dom.
bouncing off that minus one deviation. Like I said, they're keeping it in that range.
Yeah.
Okay.
See
See
you
you.
guys tomorrow.
Yeah. See you.
Yeah.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye bye. So they're keeping this in a tight range again between the minus one deviation and the plus one deviation. That's what they're ranging in the VWAP. So let's see if they're gonna test this VWAP again. Yeah, I'm happy just as long as I'm down 255 only. I'm happy with that. It's a 50K account, so you know I was down as much as 1,200, so I came back close to 1,000 back, coming back. I just had to pick and choose my battles here. So maybe scalp again for maybe 200, 300 rather than 500. Again, they're testing that they're not getting past that plus one deviation or minus one deviation. So let's see here. They might go even further up here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens here. I'm not gonna go for that full 500. I'm gonna just get it down to maybe right here. See, they created a lower low here. Okay, they did.
Target filled.
It was around 530, I think. Oh, I'm positive 245. So this time they finally broke it down. They see that they pulled back into the 233, and what they did, you can see they created. We were seeing here what lower highs, right? If I can get the lower highs creating a lower low. That's why I had it down here somewhere where I had my profit target. Since they created a lower high here, most likely they created a lower low. So now we have a down pattern. Let's see if they can test it back up here to the session mid here, right? Or even back up here, still creating a lower high and come back down to create another lower low. So we have this level here at 50, right? Um, so in between there's really no level there. It's really a 77, but I don't use that. So if we're looking at the 50, we're looking at the 26 maybe. Let's see if it's going to get down to here. You have your IB low right here. And I'm looking at my volume profile. We're just right now breaching the value area low. So let's see if this bar will remain closed below that, or will it just pierce it? Let's see. I just want to see. We're on. We have 6 more minutes till the top of the hour. Like I said, I can average maybe 500 per day on this 50K PA, which I'm trading right now. I'm happy with that. There's the reversal.
Order submitted.
Coming off the 55. Let's see what they do here.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I did.
This may even test up. Well, let's see. It's gonna probably test that session mid or the 233.
Coach, I have a question. This is Johan.
Can hardly hear you.
Hello.
Yep.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah. Who's
Yeah.
this?
Hey, Coach. Johan.
Hey, Johan.
Hey. Where is the mid? Is that the cyan that you're referring to, or
What are you talking about? The midband. Yeah. The midband
the
is
mid
the
band?
blue. The blue right here. This
The
one right here.
blue
Yeah.
blue
This.
dash with the cyan.
Yeah. Yep.
All right. Okay.
That's the midband, and it's
Order
also
cancelled.
the 55.
EMA, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm still grasping the
Well, if you
high
ever,
probability entries.
well, you already know the DTA, right? This is basically the DTA,
Yeah,
and
like the
it's
VWAP, right?
you have the VWAP.
I don't have the indicator, but
Uh,
I think I know how it works.
well, no, the DTA doesn't have the VWAP.
DCA doesn't. Okay.
DTA, the original DTA strategy, the legacy, it doesn't have the
Oh, the
VWAP.
legacy one.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, it doesn't have one.
yeah. So this is basically the legacy strategy, right? You have the Keltner channel and the midband. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. So
You
those
just
are pretty much the entries, right? And
Yeah,
then
I mean, you just have to
different
see. Like I said,
confluences.
you need to see what the price action is. So right
Right.
now, if you see the 55 below the 233, the 233 is that gold right here, right? That's
Yeah.
mean we're still favoring what it's going basically going down. But now you see what happened here. You see the 21 now above the and this
55.
right, and this is has a up angle. Most likely it's going to continue going up now.
Right. And then
Uh,
it broke the 233.
right, but you want to see because it may just if we break this high here, this swing right here, yeah. Right now it didn't break it.
Yeah, so we just have to wait for a higher low.
Well, not really, because right now you see the momentum is to the upside.
Okay. So we just have to wait.
Yeah, right now it looks like it's reversing to the upside. So because you see
Hmm.
what's happening here is you see now that the 21 is now going to go above the. Now what we want to see here is probably to see if they're going to test this
Order
back down
submitted.
here to the 233. And because you see everything now, the 21 is now going above the 233, which is a precursor that it's probably going to go up. We want to see a pullback here,
Yeah.
right? We want to see a pullback until at least to the 233, somewhere around there.
And that's where we enter
Yeah, we
uh,
usually
to the
enter
upside.
everything. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Or it may test down to the mid band again,
Hmm.
right? So usually the 233, I'll take it there, but you can see this just went right straight through. Why? We were kind of oversold because we were close to the outer band of the Keltner channel. I mean,
Keltner.
this is all basic DTA or legacy that the DTA students know. I just tweaked it to see it not instead of a tick chart. I'm using more of Renko's, which you can see a lot clearer than tick charts.
A tick chart.
So this is basically there's your straight line. I mean, I'll just let that go. I'm not gonna chase that. No pullback, nothing. It just kept on going up. So there's really nothing to that until I see,
Order cancelled.
you know,
Hmm.
it didn't really give me an entry. I'll just let that run. Oops. You could have taken that. You could have taken that trade once it broke that. Once it broke the 233. Why? And that's what I always tell everyone. And in fact, I think Robert, once you see this, once you see this 21 crossing the 51, and it has that angle to the upside. Like for example, here it has an angle coming down. You could have taken this trade right here on this downside right here. But this one, you could have taken this trade on the upside. Because
Uh-huh.
sometimes it gives you these things where you don't have actually a pullback because the momentum is so strong. So here,
Yeah.
here we're bouncing off the plus one deviation all the way through going up to where we're going up now to the wait, from the minus one deviation down here. You don't see it here, but on my other chart, it's going up to the plus one right now.
Mm.
That's That's what they just swung it all the way across,
Mm.
and that's where the range is right now. The -1 to the +1. That's their range.
Yeah, I tried um, playing with the Sim account. I didn't get much
Yeah, you have to
because I
know.
think they didn't respect the
No,
price
they're not.
action.
Yeah, they're not respecting it right now. Again, these are all algo programs they're trading with. Most of the institutional traders are on vacation. They're already gone.
Oh
They're
right, yeah, yeah.
yeah. So what you're gonna have is mostly all these algo programs that's trading, and mostly they will not be honoring the market structure or even the price action. Like this, straight move to the upside. There's really that's like a straight line.
Yeah, it's a
There,
strong.
there, there's no pullback. So now they got to where they wanted. They're above the +1.
M- might hit the 26.
Yeah, well, they already hit the 26.
The previous one? Oh yeah, yeah. I think
Okay.
there's a delay on YouTube.
Ah, okay. Oh, there must be, yeah. So they already hit the 26. Again, that would have been a good another gold level trade coming here from this one all the way up to the 26. So here's the pullback. So I'm at 245. Again, another $500 trade here. I'm done. Coming back from 1,200 down, I'll take a 500 or 700 trade. $700 profit.
You're trading with a PA,
Yeah.
Coach Dom. All right.
Yep.
Order filled.
There we
Yeah, I just bought like eval.
go. Okay. Yeah. Good. Just practice the sim for a minute until you get
Yeah, until I get
unless yeah
the confluences
yeah.
correct.
Let's see if they can follow through here. Man, they don't want to follow through this thing.
Yeah,
They're just gonna arrange. Look at this. I'll just take what it's gonna give
it
me. We can give me
it's
200.
teasing you,
Yeah,
Coach.
yeah, yeah. Here we go. Let's see if they can push this up.
Coach, I have a question.
Yeah.
Do the algos operate like pre-market?
Not as much. That's why
Not as much.
pre-market is actually pretty good to trade. See, look at this. They didn't want to follow through here. Like, come on, give it one more push, one more push. Yeah, the best time I think is pre-market open.
Pre-market.
Yeah, around 7 p.m. here in the Philippines. Let me see if I can close this here before they give.
Order
You know
filled.
what? I'll take
Order canceled.
because right there, they'll probably give me that 500. But you know what? They're messing around with my thing here. Because there, as you see that they're trying, they did hit the higher high there.
Yeah.
Now I'm just afraid that they may bring it back down once they, pierce
Yeah.
that, right? They're just gonna bring it
That's why
back
you
down.
move.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's why I
you
said,
move the
what?
stop loss.
Right. That's why I said, what? I'll just take what I'm gonna take. If I get 200, I'm already at 530. That's fine. Yeah. Here.
Yeah,
They
that's a good
finally hit.
scalp.
Yeah. They hit my 500. But that's where am I here now? Trying to see. Yeah, 530. I'll take that. I'm positive. See, finally hit the 500 target. I'd been up 700 with that if I stuck to it. But I can't trust what they're doing here. Sometimes I do. I want to trust, but the thing is, they're sometimes they're not honoring that market structure, which I don't want. If they're already giving me 200, I'll take it. Again, it reached the 26th level, so
Hmm.
they're playing around that right now, right at the IBH high, which is that blue line. That's the initial balance high.
Hmm.
Usually they try to get the extension up here, but let's see if they're gonna try that. I mean, it might take them the whole day just to get up there. The way they're moving, it's like grinding up and down, up and down.
So the IBH is for what exactly?
Nothing. It's called the initial balance. That's
Initial
usually this
balance.
is the initial balance. If you know what the system of the initial balance is, I also use it with what we call the volume profile. So right now, that's why it's kind of just going up and down right now because we're hitting the value area high. So again, with the volume profile, you want to see where the POC, which is the point of control, it's almost like the mid. It's almost like the mid band or even the VWAP of the volume area profile. So we're at the upper end of the volume area profile, which is the value area high.
Mm,
So here, how much time do we have here? We have. Let's see what's going to happen if they're gonna close this above the value area high. If they do, most likely, if they do that, your target would be probably here 1.25 around that area, and that 1.25 is in confluence with that pivot, right? That's the
yeah.
what is that? R1. Yep. So there's a lot of confluence there. There's a probability it's going to try to get up there, but it's going to probably get there by grinding the market out, pull back, get it higher high like it did here, then pull
Mm-mm.
back down here. Create just as long as it not doesn't break the slow, you still have what the pattern of going higher lows, then higher high.
Right.
But what they're gonna do is so begrudgingly, basically just going up and down, creating that higher low and higher high, and eventually get up here. And that's what they're doing. They're just grinding it out.
Yeah.
So I'm looking at the VWAP. We're between the plus one and the plus two deviation. We're
Plus
in
two.
that between, yeah. But as you can see, what do we see here? We see a good momentum. Why? It's bouncing off the mid band here, which is the 55. Where are we here? You can see also the Keltner channel angling up, meaning we have momentum now to the upside. Um, you want to see this pullback maybe here, or even just as long as it doesn't break this low here. It may pull back
Yeah, the
here and come back
55.
up. Yep, pull back here, but you don't want to see break this swing low right here. This is a swing low. So, because again, there's a probability since you're at the 26, it may test down here and then come back up. That's basically your golden setup. When he comes here, then he comes all the way down. That's your silver step. This is basically a silver. So here, bouncing off and coming back down to test this 20 level
The
or
26?
the 0 0 level. Yeah, that's a gold setup. That's what one of the strategies are. But why would I want to do it if you see the momentum to the upside, right?
Right, yeah.
So you want to see if this is going to bounce off here,
The 233.
right? No, the two. This is the 55, the mid band,
Oh, mid-band.
like it does right there. See? So let's see if we get a reversal here. You want to see a good reversal bar.
What does a good
Well, you
reversal
see the
bar
colors
look
there,
like?
the white and the blue there. There's your white color.
Yeah, yeah.
That's your reversal bar.
Oh, okay.
So let me see
Order filled.
if this is going to give me one more. Let me see here. At least another. Let's see. We have momentum here. Uh,
So that's where you enter, right? If you see a reversal bar.
oh yeah, but yeah, exactly.
So just a tick above the reversal bar? Or two
Not really.
ticks?
You get another bar there. See that bar? That other green bar?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you usually get there. Either one or two
Okay.
bars. Because sometimes they do a reversal on the reversal. So you want here, there's a
Right.
reversal bar on the downside. So let's see if they bounce off the 233 here. Or the 233, the 55. See, you have a reversal bar there, but they don't. You see, you don't have a red bar. They may reverse this back up again. So let's see.
Hmm. So the blue bar is just
It's a reversal.
like
Yeah, the
reversal
blue and the
as
white
well.
are reversal bars. This doesn't look good. This looks like I'm coming down. Let's see here. Yep. Let's see if it's gonna bounce off the 55. Let's see if we get a reversal bar to the upside. No, looks like we aren't.
Stop filled.
So I gave it back. That's a form. So I'm back to what, even. So here it's gonna test that swing. Remember I told you that swing? It didn't really right here.
Yeah.
So let's see if it's gonna create a higher low.
Order submitted.
Yeah, that's where I should have taken it right there.
Order submitted. Order filled.
This will probably test the 233. Why? Look at how the 21 now is crossing the 55.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's gonna create a lower low here.
Hey, coach. I'm gonna
Hey,
go ahead.
okay. Who's this?
Marco.
Oh, okay. How'd you do?
I blew my account.
Ah, yeah. You should. Yeah, this is pretty hard market to trade.
Yeah. Today and yesterday,
Yeah,
the market wasn't that great for
yeah.
me.
Trade, like I said, the pre-market is actually pretty good.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to start trading earlier.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Okay. See you.
Anyway, see you.
Yep. Bye bye. I gotta try and bring this back up now. Bouncing off that thing. So
Yeah, it might.
they didn't really honor it. Let's see. This may be just a tease to go back down. No, they're going back up.
Order
See, I
filled.
already have the
They're,
3 bars going green there, so most likely
Order filled.
this
yeah,
will be
and
going.
then the yellow dash line's going upward.
Yep. Yeah, they took away the momentum again.
Well, today's tough.
Yeah. I mean, every day is going to be tough because, like I said, this is a holiday market right now. See, look at this. They're going to just try to bring this. sellers are coming in trying to break this. So they pierced that yellow line, right?
Yeah.
So once they pierce that, let's see if they continue with this momentum. No, wow, no momentum, whatever. They just brought it down.
Broke 55.
Yeah, but it's watch this thing. I'll try to bring it up. They just pierced it, but they just let's see what they're gonna do here. These guys don't want to. They want to freaking want to follow through.
Coach Tom, I have a question.
Mm.
What's the dotted green line um, near the upper Keltner channel?
Yeah, that's the high of the day.
Oh, that's the high. Okay.
Right now, everything's we're above the 233. The 21 EMA is above the 55. So it's everything's pointing up. It's just momentum. Again, if they bring it down, they're not really honoring the structure.
Okay. Oh, got it.
So we hit my target here. more push. Don't bring it down. One more push. Come on, you can push it. One more push. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. One more push up.
Almost there.
One more push.
Might hit the 50.
One more push. See, I'm gonna bring it down. Keep a tight stop here. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, it might hit the 50. Just one more push up. Man, it's just starting to get.
Target filled.
Oh, that's good. I'll take that. See, because everything, yeah, there, like you said, it's gonna hit the 50 right there. There's the 50 level. And like I said, remember, it's gonna hit that 1.25. There it is.
Yeah,
That's where it's aiming. It just did a lot of
there
dancing
we go.
around right here, right? It did a lot of dancing around right there. That's why they're trying to tease you. You think it's going to come back down, but just as long as you see where the price is bouncing off the 355 in here, they're honoring the higher lows. See the higher lows? You just have to keep
Yes.
track of that. They never broke the lows, so they kept on going higher lows, created higher high, higher high. Finally hit up there. And I think that's it. At least I'm positive. I'll remain at this point better than when I was down. When I get to this level, it's telling me to quit from a 1,200 drawdown, a loss, being it up to 355. I'll be
Oh,
happy with
that's
that.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down by 1,045.
Oh, are you? Yeah. Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Just practice. That's what I said. So, like I said here, let me see right here. So you can see. I'm just gonna generate this right here, right there. See that? I was down as much as 1,200. Hit it again. Came back. 1,200 down to 720, and finally, as much as 530, I should have quit there. Came back. I'm at 355. I'll probably see what happens in the afternoon.
Oh,
But I may
yeah,
trade. I
that's
may trade.
tough.
Yeah, I may trade an eval. I'm happy with the 355 coming back from that being down at 112. So I'll take that, and I'll just trade another day of
Hmm.
this PA. Do pre-market tomorrow or pre-market open. I mean, I
Yes,
think I
that's
might
which
have a
starts at 7, right?
Yeah, you want to look at starting 7 because now, okay, let's see where it started making the moves here.
Oh,
Look
it's
at that, look
hitting
at that.
our.
You see that? 1.25, like I said.
Yeah,
Okay, so
it
let me see
it might
here.
hit R1, Coach Tom.
Yeah. Let me see here. So here, this is pre-market, 7 o'clock. This is Eastern. Okay, mind you, this is Eastern, so it's 8 o'clock here. So
Yeah.
usually you see some moves now around right here. So around 7. Let's say 6 p.m., right? Which is right here, which is 7 here. You already
Mm-hmm.
see already a move coming down, right? You see
Right.
right here coming off the 233. There's your perfect trade right there.
33. Yeah.
Yeah, this is around 7 o'clock. Yeah, 7 o'clock is good. That would be
Oh,
around
I see.
8 o'clock
Yeah.
here. 8 o'clock here. You could have got this move, came back up, coming off here. Again, you see this, you could have gotten this once this crosses here. You would have got your 500 or your, because I'm usually trading M and Q. So you see how this is set up. So if you're trading M and Q, this is what you want to do, right? Same profit, ticks, but increase the number of contracts. For example, if I'm doing M and Q and I'd say I do 10 or 12 contracts. So basically, five contracts in the first target, five contracts here. So you have 50 ticks on M and Q. So that's what? If this is on one is 250, that's $25. So
Mm-hmm.
$25 on M and Q times, let's say five contracts is what? Five times, let me see. What did I say? 25. Okay, so
25
125.
times 5.
125. Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, you're gonna be making around this one. Is that right? Yeah, because you're trading five contracts, and this one
Yeah.
another 125. So if you hit both of them, that'd be 250. Correct?
50.
Yeah,
Right.
250. If you're doing
Not bad.
10 contracts, so it ain't bad. Um,
I trade NQ. I
yeah,
think much more familiar with NQ.
yeah. If you have NQ, I'd rather you trade on the 50K and
Yeah,
above,
50K.
right?
Yeah.
Not the
Yeah.
25K.
Yeah, I just bought a 50K
Yeah,
eval.
yeah. So just practice or the sim right now until you get used to it. Attend the live, the live trade room. See how you see the market structure, and it's basically market structure. Like today, you can see that basically as long as you see as the 350 that the 55 is below the 233, you're looking for shorts, right? You're looking for
Yes.
shorts, even though you have a good. You don't be going against that. Even though this is I would take this for myself, for me,
Mm-hmm.
and get it to the mid band or not the mid band, the 233 comes back down. There's your entry right there. You would have got
Yeah.
your again. You got your 500 if you traded two contracts, right? So
Right.
that'd have been good. 255 in here. Once it breaks here, you could have taken it right there, right here, going up,
Mm-hmm.
right? Same here.
Right.
There. So your high probability setup is when you see it bounce off the 233 right here, man. Right there, you
Mm.
would have gotten how many? That would have been at least either you could have gotten here or the third right there, or it breaks the 55. But either way, once I see this reversal coming off here, I trade it right there, and you could have. Oops, where is my ruler? Oh, is that the right one? Yeah, that's my ruler there. Okay, so you could either trade it right here, and you could have gotten all the way to the outer band, outer band of the Keltner, or the 20, the zero level, right? That's where you could have gotten it. That would have been at least what, $430 trade on one contract. That's pretty good.
Yeah, not bad.
Trading two contracts that would have been 830. So again, that's why I like. And this one, same thing, bouncing off the 233, gotten right there, another more than $400 trade on one contract. That's what you want to wait for right here. Look what it did here. It finally took off, right? Look at that. That would have been another.
430.
Yeah. So you just wait for, be patient. Wait for the 233 pullback, and then when you see the reversal, that's when you enter. At least two bars, the two green bars,
Two green
two
bars.
green bars. Yep. You give it some room because sometimes you get this one. See this? You only got one green bar there. What did it do? It reversed back down.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Just practice, and that's what you do. Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, I'll practice this
You'll
month.
get used to it. Yeah, you'll get used to this.
Yeah, it's been a
You
while
already
since I last traded.
was that?
It's been a while
Yeah,
since I last
but I
traded.
think this is really very simple. Robert does a good job in it. Just as long as you have this, your ATMs, set like this, you can separate the two. But this one, I know there's a video that Robert I showed you that how you can separate them or just have them as one.
That's in the Loom
The
video,
video,
I
yeah.
believe. Hmm.
I think I sent you a video from Robert that he did the
Yeah.
ATM
Yeah.
setup and he explained it there. So they're right there. So you saw we got up to the R1. What did it do? It reversed down.
Yeah, it
That's
did.
yeah, 1.25. That's where they usually have the extension coming back down. Testing back out here. Testing the 233. Um, this may even go down to here. To tell you the truth.
To okay.
Yeah, that may go down there. Maybe you just want to see what the
Yeah,
pullback there is.
I might.
That might be even a good trade here. Let me see.
If there's a reversal, I'd go. I'd go long, but I don't think so.
Yeah, it's gonna probably test that two. Like I said, that 200, that zero level right there.
Yeah.
Order submitted.
We take that.
And the momentum to the downside is strong.
Yeah. Let me see if we can get 500 out of here. I'll be happy. If we can feel my order. Let me see if we can pull back.
So if what we're seeing is that we broke the
233.
233,
Yep. Then we want to see a
where
pullback
sh-
to the 233 at least. Let me see if I can get
okay.
my cursor up there so I can switch this up. Yeah.
Order filled.
There. Okay. So let's see if we're going to continue coming down now. I like that when it pulls back like that to get my order. So let's see. I'll put this up here, give it some room to breathe. Right there. Oh, man, that was. Let's see, come back down. Let's see you test it again.
Target filled.
Oh,
Nice.
tested the 233. Like you said, pulled back to the 233. You saw that. Tested back right there.
Right.
Came
Is
back
it
down.
okay if there's a reversal bar, then you
Yeah, see that?
re-enter the trade?
Yeah. See that? The reversal came back down. It didn't give you a green bar, right?
Hmm.
So
Right.
that's why I don't enter right at that reversal. This is basically this is what we call a railroad, and that's a very powerful. Basically, it's still going to continue down. Like right here, you see this right there, same thing,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? It's basically bouncing off the what the 21 EMA. That's what it's doing when you see that.
So if you see a railroad, where will you enter again?
Well, what's the momentum? You'd enter right here, right?
The
Yeah,
okay.
right there. because usually it goes with the momentum. When you see a railroad, you see what where's the momentum? It's up, right? You don't see it
Right.
where it's down here. Well, you do see it down here, right there. You have a railroad, but then you want to see you don't enter right there. You want to see the break of the 55 because now you have what the 21 EMA. Look at that. You have a angle. The slope of the 21 EMA is now going up, and not only that, it's crossing the 55.
55.
Right. So you would have entered right here when I see the break there, right?
Hmm.
Because you already have look at that slope going up. See this one slope going down, right?
Right.
It
Yeah.
basically is bouncing off the 21 EMA when you see this reversal, like the what we call the railroad. So again, it hit. Again, this was a typical gold setup. No, more like a silver. This is the gold setup coming from here down to here. Um, and you usually want to see this coming back up, but you don't see it here. Why? Because we have strong momentum to the downside. That's why you would never take that trade, even though it says there on the gold setup you would take this trade and come back up here. But no. So this one, I took this one all the way down there because it's strong momentum.
Right.
So I'm better where I'm at. I'm at now 855. Better than that's the best I've done this whole day from a 1,200 drawdown. So let me see here. I'll take that. So that's time for me to quit this time. Definitely quit for this PA right there. Right there. 855. That's the best. Better than I had before. Okay.
All right.
See you guys tomorrow.
Thanks, Coach.
Is that Leia? Hey, Leia.
Hey, Leah.
She's lurking in the background. I see her bumblebee. What's the Leia? I don't hear her.
Yeah, but she's unmuted.
Oh, she unmuted herself. I can't hear her volume. So, anyways, see you guys tomorrow.
Hey, guys.
Who's that? Anyways,
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
who? That's what's his name. How are you doing?
I'm doing kind of better, but my voice, you can hear it like a little bit harder due to that cough.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I looked at your trade. Make sure you have what you call it. Make sure you have your Edgar. Make sure you have your. Okay, let's look at this. We want to make if you're trading NQ, make sure you're only trading at the most two contracts. You want to have again, you want to have this setup right here, right? Only two
Right, to
contracts.
contract.
Because I saw when you started off on your sim there, you had four. That's you're over leveraging,
All right.
especially when you have a
Appreciate it.
especially when you have a market like this where you have a lot of a wide pullback like that. You might get stopped out and you probably over leverage yourself in a 50K. So either like I said, either do it like this with two contracts, or you can do it one contract NQ. But if you're trading NQ, make sure your settings are this. I think the setup is discussed on the video that Robert made. Okay, I sent it to you. His ATM explains it. Okay. Other than that, let's see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, you guys turn out to be a green day for you guys.
Yeah, see, Coach.
See you.
Thank you.
Take care. God
Bye.
bless. Bye bye.